I'm celebrating 16 years being on YouTube. So you've seen me buy this Prime energy drink. It was also a YouTube short. Now I'm going to try it. This is strawberry and watermelon flavor. I'm looking at a pigeon, hoping he doesn't want to try it too. Okay, so here it goes. Prime energy drink by Logan, Paul and KSI, famous popular YouTubers. Want to try their energy drink. I bought it in Malta. Okay. Great flavor. Yep. It's good flavor. Yeah. Here the GoPro and dropped. It on a mount and the tripod thingy. Balanced. So now you're drinking. Yeah, about this, people complain that it's too expensive. It was 30 euros, according to an article on Malta.com. But I bought it for 25 euros. If I'm not mistaken, the price was less. I will. Hello, right. You had some drink by an energy drink, I think, by a couple of YouTubers.
Right.
Can I? How much is it?
15 and 20.
Okay, can I get the 20 euros one?
This one? Or
Yeah.
Which flavor?
Strawberry watermelon. Can I pay by card? Okay. Simpler. That's the drink. So yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, cheers.
Welcome. Okay, thank you. All right, okay, thank you. It's okay. All right, so this is the drink. Prime energy drink. Linkprime.com. So yes, I've been uploading videos for 16 years on YouTube. The original name of the channel was Malta I Resources, and I went viral with the famous Aradoris clip.
Għassu l-bart, ma tiflax, sinjura ta' għasħana għajt il-vos, Aradoris, hello!
Now I have a little short about the TikTok hearing in Congress with the Aradoris clip.
I'd like to direct your attention to the screen for a short video if you don't
Where
mind.
Mr. Chen is forced, Mr. Chu is forced to watch the Aradoris clip.
Għasħana għajt il-vos, Aradoris, hello!
With that, I
So
yield
that's
back.
a funny one. If you watch it, it will be uploaded as a short also. It's already made as a short while you see this.
See, and your legs are like in the top of the air and I'm going to scream it.
Yeah, I like the flavor. Zero sugar, 200 mg caffeine, 200 mg electrolytes, and it's vegan also. And our website, linkprime.com. This is not sponsored by them, not sponsored by those YouTubers. I don't watch them actually. I'm not a fan of their. I mean, I've never tried to watch. I never watched their videos, so I don't know if I like them or not. Prefer to watch travel YouTube. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, don't share it with your friends. If you're new, you can subscribe and tick the notification bell, new story. You're fed up of hearing people telling you to subscribe, I guess. So now, I just say bye.